Labasan na natin ang mundo. Magtago papalayo sa mas tahimik at payapang mundo. Bumubulong ang hanging amihan at huni ng ibon. Tumudulong at tinatawag na tayo ng bundok.
Nilugang taktak. Ano, Tara? Nilugang Taktak is a 7-foot waterfall in Antipolo City, Rizal that was declared a national park in 1990, known as the place where the bell fell. The site features a 16th century legend about a local bell thrown into the river, and it has since become a popular, though formerly polluted, tourist destination that has undergone rehabilitation.
Tumakas na tayo, palayo sa maraming tao.
Spiderweb, ano? Ano guys? Spiderweb, tara? Hi guys. Mag-spiderweb po kami.
Ang hanging habagat.
Sayang sarado siya guys, yung canopy walk. Sarado.
At niyayakag na tayo ng karagatan.
Tayo food, ano, tara? Kasi nagugutom na kami guys.
Right in front of Hinalugang Taktak National Park, visitors can find stalls selling Antipolo's famous delicacies like suman and roasted cashew nuts. The stall we visited even offered free taste, so tourists can try the delicacies before buying.
Suman na to, may nag-criticate po. Next activity, ano, tara? Rapping ba rapping? Let's go guys. We're back. Kumain lang kami sa Robinson.
Look at that! So nice!